and therefore noise and vibration. The luxury interior is completely personalized to the customer, depending on how they ordered it. You can choose almost anything. One of the main reasons why super yachts are so expensive, in the order of hundreds of millions of dollars, is the costly interior fittings and various linings with expensive materials. Only the richest people on the planet buy these yachts, and they tend to surround themselves with luxury. Keeson's optimized low-drag hull design with a reduced transom depth allows for a shallow shaft angle. In 2020, one of Keeson yachts, the Cosmos, was recreated in Lego. More than 12,000 stones were used for this. With 500 permanent employees on its payroll, and with 1,000 staff in the yard on a typical day, Keeson is one of the top 5 employers in the city and municipality of Hulst in southeastern Holland. Welcome to the Lursen Shipyard. The most expensive and largest mega yachts in the world are built here. You are now watching the Lursen Shipyard near Bremen, Germany. It takes about 2 to 4 years to build a super yacht like this in a shipyard. This is how the 400-foot-long super yacht Kismet first touched the water in 2024. The yacht is valued at $360 million, with an estimated annual running cost of $30 million. Even so, workers inside Lursen Shipyard have a salary averaging $75,000 a year. Only 1,500 workers are employed inside this Lursen Shipyard. This shipyard is located on the Vizira River, which is directly connected to the world's oceans. 6 of the 10 longest super yachts in the world built by Lursen. Each manufacturing process starts with cutting the steel for the hull of the super yacht. The large welded parts are gradually put together to form the entire hull and deck of the super yacht. Most of the large parts of the yachts are moved inside the shipyard by a large crane that is built into the ceiling of the hull. By welding the parts together, the super yacht is born like a giant jigsaw puzzle, piece by piece. Some also use terms such as MegaYacht, GigaYacht, or even territorial. The 510-foot